Welcome to The Bridge. What is The Bridge? We are a library, finance lab, and campus-linked accelerator all rolled into one.
We opened in January 2019. The Bridge is a partnership between the UTSC Library and the Department of Management. We are the first library on campus dedicated to a specific department. What does The Bridge do?
We do many things. The Bridge team is an ambitious group, and our services and programs touch on many areas.
We are a finance lab where students can research.
We offer advanced and specialized training through workshops, seminars, research consultations, and independent learning modules. We support student entrepreneurs and help them to launch their ventures.
We run work-integrated learning projects where students consult with and provide solutions to real-world problems from our industry and community partners.
What about our physical space? We have 4 Bloomberg terminals, a printer, study space, 52 dual monitor terminals with specialized databases. We have a tech lending collection and smart screens.
What does The Bridge do to support entrepreneurs? The Bridge runs the New Venture program. Students who want to launch a venture can apply to join the MVP and get support for launching their business. MVP students have access to the Bridge space, Bridge research tools in our team, learning modules designed to support their ventures, and much more. What does the Bridge do to support work-integrated learning? The Bridge facilitates work-integrated learning for all students in the management department. In consultation with industry or community partners, we design a project for a real-world issue, and students work on optimizing a solution through their coursework or as part of the co-op work term.
Where is The Bridge? We're on the ground floor of the IC building. When we're back on campus, you can't miss us. As soon as you walk into the building, you'll see The Bridge. Stop by and say hello. While we're working remotely, The Bridge is available via our website, email, Quirkus page, through Microsoft Teams, and our social media.
How do I get involved with The Bridge?
Attend an event like a competition or workshop.
Use our databases and research resources to support your learning.
Complete a self-paced learning module to improve your skills.
Apply to be part of the New Venture program and launch your business venture.
Apply for a position as one of our student staff.
Research in our study space or finance lab.
Why should I get involved with The Bridge? We support your in-class learning and help you to take your skills to the next level.
Want to learn how to code? The Bridge can help with that.
Have an assignment and not sure where to start? The Bridge can help with that.
Want to start your own business? The Bridge can help with that.
Want to work with industry or community partners and use your classroom learning for real-world projects that benefit our community? You guessed it, The Bridge can help with that.